How to fix ChatGPT not showing in your country. First thing first, let's talk about what if it's not available in your country. The first thing that you can do is definitely use a VPN, but then only VPN is not, enough to use ChatGPT because you need a legit phone number to sign up. So definitely try to get, access or hold of the actual phone number from the country where it is available. And with that plus VPN, you can definitely try using it. And if you are using Chrome browser, you can directly add the VPN extension. For that, just go to Chrome Web Store and search VPN, and there you can see a lot of options. You can pick any one, or you can just download other VPN for your Windows or phone if you're using it from phone. The next thing you can do is try using the ChatGPT from your private window or incognito mode if you're using Chrome browser. You can go ahead and try that as well. And let's talk about another scenario. What if it is available in your country but just not to you? And whenever you try to get access to it, it just shows not available in your country. The very first thing you can do is try clearing your cache and cookies from the OpenAI site. For that, if you're using Chrome browser, go to your browser settings, click on privacy and security, and click on cookies and other site data. Now scroll down and click on see all site data and permissions. And there search OpenAI and just click on the delete icon. Do this and go back and try ChatGPT. If not, you can definitely go to OpenAI's support team and then just state the issue and hope for the best. Well, these were our suggestions on how to fix ChatGPT not showing in your country. All the best and thank you so much for watching.